Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Sambahri. I am from PBIC 2018 at Win Antasari, Banjarmasin. So today I want to tell you about my mini research, and the topic is about the use of YouTube as alternative media for teaching English online class during the pandemic of COVID-19. Okay, uh, for any further, let's go to the topic, I think. Okay, then. Here we go first to the background. Okay, you can see there is some main points that is in the PowerPoint. For the first point is the COVID-19 pandemic has spread throughout the world and forced people to maintain social distancing, especially for the education, which is a major element of a country economic future has been significantly disrupted. So the pandemic is it make the education have the impact, but not just the education have the impact of this pandemic. The economic will get the impact from because of the impact of the education. That's the first point is about. Okay, let's go to the second point. The second point, the Indonesian government has affirmed by emphasizing the policy of working, studying, and worshiping from home. So we are already know that we are using the online class, and we are working from home because we cannot talk each other, or make make connecting to each other, because we know we have a COVID in this situation, so we cannot join together in the real condition. That's why. And then the next is the technology and communication that are increasingly developing make it easier for us to connect with various information, make it easier for us to carry out daily activities. So because we cannot see each other for the real time in the real condition, so the solution is making the media that is more easier to use, but we can still use it for the daily activities. And then the last is the development of learning media in the form of video uploaded on the YouTube channel is expected to be able to provide solution to current condition, which apart from being a media for entertainment and news, YouTube can also be a source of learning. So for this solution, some solution that can use is YouTube. YouTube is not just a media for having source for news or entertainment, but it also can use for the educational purpose. And that's the end of the background. So we go to the next. It is the research question. So we have the two big questions here. The first one is how YouTube can influence online learning during the COVID-19 pandemic, and then what are advantages and disadvantages of using YouTube as a media for teaching online classes from students and teachers perspective. So there is two big question here for using YouTube as a media for online class, especially for this situation. And then we go to the next is the objective of the study. It is to explain how does YouTube influence online learning process during the COVID-19 pandemic. This is the objective of this paper. And the second one is to analyze advantages and disadvantages of using YouTube as a media for teaching online classes from student and teachers perspective. And then here there is a previous study that we can see. The development of learning media in the form of videos uploaded on the YouTube channel is expected to be able to provide solution to current condition, which apart from being a media for entertainment and news, YouTube can also be a source of learning. Yeah. so we can make like what is previous view from this sentence that YouTube is can also make be a media for learning process. So it's not just for the entertainment, but it also can be used for teaching media. And then the last is about the research methodology. In this research, the source result of library research is which the data were obtained from several sources such as article, conference proceedings, conference papers, and thesis. And then the type of research it's used a qualitative research. Research using this method does not emphasize the researchers collect data in the form of numbers, but it form of word or picture. So we can take it from a word or picture, not from numbers like that. And the descriptive study is intended to describe summarize for certain phenomenon. So we are summarize it and not making the what list like the list of and not making a list. We not making like a table or making like what diagram graphic like that. No, we're not doing like that, but we are describe or summarize for certain phenomenon like that. Okay, maybe that's all from me for this mini research explanation. Hope you uh, understand what I'm saying, and maybe that's all. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.